All right, hi everybody. We're working through the trigonometry review for Math 31. This is question 3C. What we're supposed to do here is come up with the equation of the tangent to this function at the given point here, which in this case is pi over 6. The 6 is a little faded there. First thing we got to do is get a point. We need the point and the slope. First thing we're going to do here is find the point. So we're going to evaluate, or we're going to plug in, this is the cosecant of pi over 6 minus 2 times the sine of pi over 6. Okay, well, cosecant is 1 over sine, and the sine of pi over 6 is 1/2. So this is going to be 1 over 1/2, which is just 2. And then sine of pi over 6, we just discussed that. Sine of pi over 6 is 1/2 times 2 is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So the y-coordinate of the point that we're interested in is 1. Now what we got to do here is come up with the derivative. We want to know what the slope is at the point pi over 6. So the first thing that we're going to do here is take the derivative of cosecant, and that's going to end up being negative cosecant x cotangent of x. The derivative of minus 2 sine of x will be minus 2 cosine of x. We want to evaluate that, like it says up here, where x is equal to pi over 6. So this will end up being negative cosecant of pi over 6, cotangent of pi over 6, minus 2 cosine of pi over 6. All right, now, just got to think about this a little bit. Cosecant is 1 over sine of pi over 6. Well, the sine of pi over 6 is 1/2. So 1 over 1/2 will end up being 2. So this is negative 2 times the cotangent of pi over 6. Now, cotangent is cos over sine. So let's think about this. The cosine of pi over 6 is root 3 over 2. The sine of pi over 6 is 1 over 2. And when you divide that out, the 2's will cancel, and this is actually going to end up being just root 3. Minus 2 times, cosine, actually, I didn't want to write that. I wanted to think about this a little bit more. Cosine of pi over 6 is going to be root 3 over 2 times 2 makes this root 3. So now this is negative 2 root 3 minus root 3. This is negative 3 root 3. That's the slope, that's the slope of this tangent line. So therefore, putting this all together, we get the equation of the line will be y minus 1, the y-coordinate of the point, equal to negative 3 root 3, the slope, times x minus the x-coordinate of that point, which was given in the question, pi over 6.